Hi everyone, so as you know the schools are closed temporarily, which means that a lot of you will have to learn online for the next 2 weeks. Studyclix is here to help with that, so I just wanted to make a small video to show you how you can use Studyclix to its fullest to help you through this time at home. So what we recommend doing is using all of our features. The questions by topic page will be really helpful when you're trying to revise any topic at all. You click into your subject, higher or ordinary level, and then you get all your topics, which is really handy. And if you want to see all the past questions that have ever come up, you just click into your topic and voila, they're all there. You can check the marking scheme right beneath the question. So it's just a nice way of self-assessing yourself, making sure that you're staying on top of all your topics and your subjects. So you can also see your videos and notes here. You can click into it from up here as well, but it's just a nice way if you're struggling with any topic and you feel like you need your teacher, you need to be in school to get that extra support. Obviously you can't do that right now, but the videos and notes is a great way to find some extra resources to help you really grasp a topic or anything like that. So I would recommend checking here. We've got thousands of stuff for all topics and all subjects, so do check that out. We have our exam builder here where you can create your own exam. Again, this is good when you're trying to self-assess, which you should be doing when you're at home. You can create your own little exam and then sit it. Don't check out the marking scheme just yet. Just try and sit the exam and see how well you get on. You can create it from past exam questions. This is just a nice way of keeping on top of your progress. Then we have our discussion forum. This is a great place to come to if you are having any trouble, anything you want some support or questions on. This is where our community of Studyclix users, teachers, there's a lot of stuff going on here. So just if you have any questions at all, you can come here and there's a lot of support and really helpful people on here. If you want any other support, you can always contact the Studyclix team by going down here to the little robot. We're online every day. We can help as much as we can. We can't answer everything, but we will do our best and we are online. So do get in touch if there's anything you need. You can also check out our quizzes. This is where you can test yourself on topics or on a subject. So there's just short, fun questions. It's really interactive. And at the end, you get a result on your quiz and you can see how well you're getting on in a topic or in a subject. So I would recommend using the quiz whenever you can. And then finally, I recommend checking out our blog page. We have tons of really helpful stuff. Advice, blogs, podcasts, subject guides. If you're feeling anyway anxious or worried about anything, we have loads of stuff on the blog which will help you get through this, help calm you down, and this is just a really good place to check out stuff to get advice on this kind of situation. So that's basically it, but best of luck and don't worry, you'll be fine. If you need to talk to someone, check out the discussion forum or get in touch. We're here to help.